I have some special videos for you. Most of the friends are think and could not separate on Windows 7 hard disks or more than 3 partitions. But I want to show it is possible. Not only that, I have installing on this hard desktop 4 hard drive. Now look how to it is possible install it. I have installing on this desktop two laptop hard disks and two is desktop hard disks. Look on the top of the on the top of on the top of the desktop. One is laptop and two is another two is desktop, and the lower is the laptop. Two small size, this is a laptop hard disk, and two big size is the desktop hard disk. Now SATA port, SATA cable is the the red color, and yellow is DVD writer. Now this is the NVIDIA graphics card. Now look on the desktop. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Look here, I have not installed, I could not install uh, due to shortage of the SATA port. This one top of the above, due to shortage of this shortage of the SATA option. Thank you for watching.